Now, this is a really great question, mainly because your credit score, and more specifically that credit history, is going to be a foundational tool to you building generational wealth. Now, a lot of people think that if they have a credit card, an auto loan, or a mortgage, and they're just making their on-time payments, that they're going to have a great credit score. And while you can have a decent credit score, your credit history isn't necessarily going to be attractive to a potential lender. You want to have loads of payments, and when I say loads of payments, I'm talking loads of on-time payments. So of course, if you have an auto loan, you want to pay on that. If you have a mortgage, you want to pay on that. But I also recommend individuals carry about 3 to 4 credit cards allocated to different areas of their life. Now, to do this, you don't want to go out and get a bunch of credit cards all at the same time. In fact, you want to space them out about every 6 to 8 months. Having too many inquiries too quickly can actually make you look high risk as well, and can affect your credit history or your ability to get lending. So once you've established or you're able to secure your 4 credit cards, allocate them to different areas of your life. One card could be used for paying things like your cell phone bill, the next one's for shopping at the mall, the next one for gas, the next one's for groceries. In fact, if you do things correctly and you get the right type of credit cards, some credit cards allocate a little bit more of a cash back or a bonus for these different categories. So you'll want to allocate those particular cards to those particular categories. Once you have your 4 cards and you start to make your charges, it's now important to ensure that you never miss a payment. So what I recommend is you take those cards and you set automatic payments on them. And if you're worried about the amount, just go ahead and set the minimum payment, because it's going to be a fail-safe for us. That way, if a bill ever comes up and a payment hasn't been made, the company will automatically drop that money out of your account. Now, keep in mind that you never want to go charge more than what you can pay back. So if you go and you charge something, you want to make sure you pay it back really the same week, definitely by the end of the month. What I do is I sit down every single week. I charge from Monday through Friday in the different categories. And then on Saturday, I'll sit down and I'll make payments for the previous week. What that ensures is that I never miss a payment. It ensures the on-time payment history is going to my credit history, and a zero utilization or low utilization, which is also a key factor in your credit score. I can assure you, if you have 3 to 4 credit cards you're making on-time payments to month after month for 6 months, 7 months, 10 months, 2 years, 5 years, along with the auto loan and the mortgage, you will have not only a credit score, but a credit history that lenders will love.